Hey guys, so today in celebration of Valentine's Day, I thought I would do some Valentine's makeup. I've got the base already done. I've done my eyebrows and brown eyeliner and like foundation and concealer. I haven't done my mascara yet because I'm going to do the eyeshadow first, but I've got these stickers. So what I'm planning to do is I'm gonna stick a heart here and on the other side. And then I'm gonna do my blush so that it leaves a heart shape. So hopefully this turns out really well. I haven't tried this before, but I thought it would be like a cute thing to try. Okay, this is the blush I'm using. It's Milani. It's the same one that I used in the last video. So yeah, if you wanna see how I did my base, look at the light skin makeup tutorial that I did. So I'm gonna try and like, make sure that's stuck. I'm gonna dab it on top. I feel like if I brush it, then it will kind of go underneath where the heart is. So I'm like really dabbing it on here. I hope it turns out okay. Okay, and then I'm just gonna like do it where I usually do it. Oh, I think I went under the sticker. Dabbing it on the other side. Okay, so hopefully that's where, do you know what I could do is use a different shade. I'm gonna use I'm gonna use eyeshadow instead to kind of go like on the outside. I'll choose a light one. Just so that it's like really prominent. Now hopefully, I'll take this off and it'll be a heart. I can kind of see the heart. I don't know if you can. But you can kind of see it a little bit. I do look like I've got loads of blush on now. It's fine. I've got to go to the gym. I'm gonna turn up to the gym with, anyway, it's fine. So I've just got like a light shimmery pink shade. I'm gonna do here on the inside. I know I said last time that it would be the last makeup tutorial I did because I can't see anything with the flash, but here I am, so no bars. Just doing it here and here. This is from 17 because I just really wanted a cheap eyeshadow palette, and yeah, it was cheap. So I've got all the different colours now. So it's not that good, but it does the job. So I'm going to use a light pink in the middle, like that, and then I'm going to use a dark pink on the outside. So it's just like really pink. Okay, I've got some nail gems and some eyelash glue. So I'm going to use the pink ones. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I'm going to use a couple of pink gems on my, maybe I should do a wing first. Should I do a wing? So I'm gonna do a little wing first and hope I can see. Can't actually see what I'm doing. This isn't very good. Okay, it's now gonna be a big wing. Okay, I've got 2 wings. I'm gonna use the eyelash glue. I really want to like make it into a heart. I'm gonna dab it like this in a little heart shape. Should use my tweezers. I really need to blend out this like that's so much blush. I'm gonna do a heart and then I'll come back. Okay, I kind of did a heart there, so I'm gonna try and do the other side but better because that is questionable. I ended up using tweezers, which definitely helped. Also, I dropped like a lot of my nail gems into the sink, which is really frustrating. If I don't hurry up, I'm not going to make it to the gym, and then I'll be really sad because my gym shuts at 10 and it's currently 7:30. Okay, I've done both hearts. I feel like if I did them bigger, like the hearts bigger, then they would have been more of a heart shape. I don't have any smaller heart gems, so the other solution would have been to use smaller gems. I said heart gems, but I meant gems, and that would be the other solution, but I don't have any. Anyway, what I'm gonna do, because it's now 10:02. It's now 10:02. It's fine, it's fine. So now I'm going to lay my edges, but I'm gonna try to lay them in a heart shape. So hopefully this works out really well. I'm using the Got To Be Ultra Glued Gel and a toothbrush. So I've seen people do it, and you have to like make a coil with one part and then with the other side. So, oh gosh, this is harder than it looks. So if that's like one side of the heart, then the other side should be like this. Not only can I not see what I'm doing, but I can just tell it's not going how I want it to. Okay, let me start again. Move that out of the way. So, one side and curl, and then the other side and curl. Oh, okay, I was almost there. Does that look like a heart? Not really. Maybe if I like move this, maybe I shouldn't use a toothbrush, I should just use my hands. And now something's in my eye. My contact is all fuzzy. Okay, that low-key looks like a heart, like very, very low-key. I'm gonna say that's a heart. I'm gonna say that's good enough for a heart. Getting more gel. This is a very long edge. I don't know how it's gonna go into a heart. Okay, I'm not gonna do a heart with that. I'm just gonna have like a little cute spiral thing, and I'll try the other side. Look, I did 2 hearts. Finish off with blush on the inside. It's like a little inner corner highlight. I could use actual highlight, I'm not going to. And now I'm just gonna put on my mascara. Oh, I forgot the lips. Okay, I'm not done yet. I'm almost done. Let's put my mascara on, like pouting, like looking up. I think it's a bit interesting. I feel like it's girl code though. That you've got to put your mascara on like this. I don't know. The ones who get it, get it. The ones who don't. Okay, I'm just putting on some Vaseline. I'm gonna do my usual like outline it in brown because I don't really like my I don't like the colour of my other lip liners. Well, I like one of them. I don't like the colour of my light pink lip liner. I just feel like it doesn't look very good on me. I can't see my lips. Okay, my lips are outlined. Now I'm going to go in with my brush, and I'm gonna do like a generic lip, honestly. Like just pink, like light pink. It's actually not light pink, it's like a dark pink, but it's like a brownie pink. Anyway, I can't really see what I'm doing. I'm gonna use a bright pink just to make it like pop a bit. Give a sort of like ombre effect. And there we have it. This is the finished makeup, Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I feel like I lost a nail in this. I don't know where, but I've lost one of, and this isn't like, these aren't press-ons, these are full-on gel nails. So I'm obviously not like filing down the nail enough when I do them, but anyway. I'm just gonna quickly put on some Filler Instinct lip gloss just to make my lips like glossy. And there you go. I don't know if I would go out like this in public. Maybe if it was like a night out, because then I feel like no one really cares what you're wearing. Obviously I've got to go to the gym looking like this. I currently have not very long to get to the gym. I'm only gonna have like half an hour now, but it's fine because I filmed this, and yeah. Love you, bye. This is a close-up of my makeup, so you can see the hearts and the hearts and the hearts. Anyway, happy Valentine's Day. Bye. This is just proof that I went to the gym like I said I would.
Pitch like we did Tuesday while you're away.